How to manage privacy settings on WeChat. So if you want to manage your privacy settings on your WeChat, then first you need to open up your WeChat application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your WeChat, you need to go with Me option, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on Settings. Now under Settings, you need to go with Friends Permissions. Under your Friends Permissions, you need to go and tap on Methods with Friending Me, and you can select WeChat ID, Mobile, Group Chat, QR Code, Contact Card. And here you can go and toggle off the mobile option so that no one can add you through the mobile number, and you can go with Group Chat so no one can add you on a group chat. And you can go back and tap on Find Mobile Contacts, turn this off. And the next one is Moments. You can tap on Moments, and here you will have 4 options. You can go with the first one, and you can select Hide My Moments and Statuses. And here you can select the persons from which you would like to hide your moments and statuses. And you will also have other option, which is Hide Their Moment and Status. And you can make last 10 moments public or viewable by others. You can select all, or last 3 days, or last month, or last 6 months. Or you can also go with Top Stories, and here you can go with Hide Their Stories or Hide My Stories. And in this way, you'll be able to make your account private or public. That's how you can manage your privacy settings on WeChat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.